This is how to hard reset, factory reset, clean and wipe the Motorola Droid Turbo. And that's what the back looks like. So let's get into it. We are going to hold power and volume down at the same time, holding power down first, or excuse me, volume down first and then power. And it will immediately bring up this menu. And we are going to use the volume to select recovery mode. And then we'll push OK with power. And then we got to wait just a moment. And the fallen Android no command comes up. So what we have to do here is we're going to first hold power and very quickly touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up, and it brings up the Android recovery menu. We're going to follow the on-screen instructions now. Scroll down with volume to wipe data factory reset, OK with power. And we're going to delete everything, user data plus personalized content, OK with power. And then we have up to a 2 to 3 minute wait. So I'm going to push pause, but you might have to wait for a few minutes for your device. Just be patient. The factory reset software is working for you. Stand by. And after a few minute wait, we see the data wipe is complete. And now we can reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset the Motorola Droid Turbo. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.